What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create, customize, edit, and fully take control of the heading widget into Elementor Page Builder WordPress plugin, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in our choose internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Right after installing and activating Elementor plugin, we have a video explaining how to do this. Can be into its free version, no need to purchase the Pro. Move to Page and click on Add New Page. Right here, we're going to be able to see a new button into the top section of your page called Edit with Elementor. Click on it, okay? This is going to load up for you the Elementor Page Builder Editor, okay? The page of the edition that you can customize your site. Now, all we have to do to start using the heading is review the left sidebar of menus. Hover your mouse over heading, click, hold, and drop it to the section on the page where you would like to display this content. In my case, it's going to be right here. Now, what you can do? First, let's explore the title. We can customize the title right here, using your keyboard to type anything that you want. Then, you can apply a link. Imagine that you would like to have a link to this plugin. You can apply a link right here. You can click into this gear icon to customize. Add new follow or open into a new window, up to you, okay? Now we can customize the size. Once again, we can customize this in the way that you want. Then we can customize the HTML tag. I recommend that you have only a single H1 onto your page. So if you're planning to have multiple titles or multiple headings or multiple captions, make sure that you use the H2, okay? Then we can align to center, right, justify, or left, okay? Once again, it's up to you. Now let's explore the style tab, okay? Now the very first thing to do is customize the site, the title color, okay? In my case, I would like to have this as dark. You can enter the X title of the color right here. Is okay. Now we can customize the typography and click into this edit icon, okay? This pencil icon. First thing, customize the font family, okay? You can fully edit and have multiple font families to play with, okay? It's up to you, up to your site needs, up to the contents that you write, okay? Now we can change the size. We can make it very big. We can change in pixels or other formats. The weight, once again, it's up to you, okay? We can transform heading uppercase, lowercase, capitalize. Once again, up to you and your needs. We can change the style for normal, italic, and oblique. The direction, the line height, that is the space between the lines, okay? The letter spacing. Once again, it's up to you, okay? 0 is the default option, but it's up to you. Then, word spacing, the space between the words, okay? What else we can do into typography? It is, okay? Then, we have other section, that is text shadow. We can make the text blue with a blur and other styles up for our text. you can click into the reload icon to refresh, and the burn mode. What else we can do? We can move to the advanced and apply some margin or some padding in the case that you want. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. Make sure that you can customize this, okay? Make sure that you can combine this with other elements, other widgets, other features of your site to create the layout that you need, okay? Remember that headings is very, very important on design to separate the content, to present a new content, to use calls to action, okay? So it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes or borderless plugin or Enzo WordPress theme. Both are free. Or growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog and promote it in order to receive and publish guest posts. Or sites.gallery, that is a place where we can promote your site, your app, your game, or mobile design. And visualmodo.com in order to unlock full access to our entire templates, library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, plugins, themes, templates, icons, plugins, and many, many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!